Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about another kingdom, that is the kingdom fungi. So the fungi are heterotrophic in nature, means they cannot prepare their own food material, and some act on dead organic matter and so are known as saprophytes, and some of the fungi can feed on living organisms, so they are known as parasites, and they can also live as symbionts in association with algae as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhizae. Symbiotic association means in which both the organisms get benefited. And these fungi are cosmopolitan in nature, means they are found almost everywhere. They occur in air, water, soil, and on animals and plants, and they prefer to grow in warm and humid places. The cell wall of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharides, and the reserve food material is glycogen. And the reproduction in fungi can be of various types, that is, the vegetative reproduction is by budding, fragmentation, and fission, and asexual reproduction occurs by means of spores, which are known as conidia, zoospores, and sporangiospores. And sexual reproduction occurs by oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. And there are three steps involved in sexual cycle of fungi. The first step is the fusion of protoplasm, which is known as plasmogamy, and then the fusion of nuclei occurs, which is known as karyogamy, which results in the formation of zygote. Then finally the meiosis of zygote results in the formation of the spores. And the vegetative part of the fungus is known as hyphae, and the network of hyphae is known as mycelium. So during sexual cycle of fungi, two haploid hyphae fuses to form diploid cells. And the kingdom fungi divided into various classes, that is phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes. So let us discuss one by one in detail. And the first one is phycomycetes. So members of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying and damp places. And asexual reproduction in phycomycetes occurs by motile spores, which are known as zoospores, and non-motile spores, which are known as aplanospores. And the spores are produced inside the sporangium. And in sexual cycle, fusion of gametes gives rise to zygospore, and the gametes which are similar are known as isogamous, and which are dissimilar are known as anisogamous or oogamous. And the mycelium is cenocytic, means there are multiple nucleus present in the mycelium and is multicellular. And the examples of phycomycetes are Mucor, Rhizopus, which is known as bread mold, and also the albugo. I hope you have understood about the phycomycetes. And the next one is ascomycetes, which is also known as sac fungi. So they can be saprophytic as well as parasitic, means they can feed on dead and decaying organisms as well as on living organisms. And the asexual reproduction in ascomycetes occurs by conidia, and the sexual reproduction occurs through ascospores. Branched and septate mycelium is found in ascomycetes. For example, penicillium, aspergillus, claviceps, etc. So these are the examples of ascomycetes members. And the next one is basidiomycetes, which is also known as club fungi. And the vegetative reproduction occurs through fragmentation. And here in the basidiomycetes, the sex organs are absent, means there will be only vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction is present in this class. And the plasmogamy between two vegetative or somatic cells results in the formation of basidium. Basidium, which is a fruiting body. And the basidium undergoes karyogamy and meiosis to form four haploid basidiospores. And the examples of basidiomycetes are agaricus, mushrooms, eustilago, smut, etc. And the next one is deuteromycetes. So this class, it is also known as imperfect fungi, as they do not have sexual reproduction at any stage of the life. And the asexual reproduction occurs by conidia, and the mycelium is septate and branched. And the examples of deuteromycetes are alternaria and trichoderma, etc. I hope you have understood about the kingdom fungi and the classes which are present in the kingdom fungi. In the next video, we will discuss about kingdom plantae and kingdom animalia. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.